Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can get Microsoft Office or Excel completely free. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need a browser. I'm going to use one of the browser, which is Brave browser, but any other browser like Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser is fine, and you can use any of the computer. It doesn't matter whether it is Windows or Mac operating system or any Linux machine, anything is fine. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to open google.com and then start typing Office 365. You just need to type it and then hit enter key of your keyboard, and you will find Google is searching. Google is actually showing us result Microsoft Office 365 login, this page. We just need to click here and then it will be looking like this. Now from here we have to do one thing. We have to sign in the Microsoft account. If we don't have any Microsoft account, then we need to create a new Microsoft account. So there is one link, sign in, and there is sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365. Okay, so I'm going to click here, this one, and it will bring like this. So here it is showing like to log in. As I told you, if you have any username and password, you can put it over there. Otherwise you need to create one email first, which will be Microsoft account. So I'm going to create a Microsoft account by pressing get a new email, and then I'm going to type the email address. For example, I'm going to type FewSteps@outlook.com. For example, if this email is okay, then it will I can create this email. Otherwise I need to change. Let's click next, and it's showing this email is already occupied, so I cannot use it. Let me check another way. Hello FewSteps, for example. Okay, it is working. And then I need to type a strong password, and then I'm going to uncheck this thing, and then I'm going to press next button, and it is asking like the details. I'm going to choose one by one, and then we need to solve this captcha. I'm going to press next, and it is giving the captcha. So I need to organize. So let me organize like the same way. So this side down, this side down. Okay, submit, and if the captcha is correct, it will go the verification complete message, and then our Microsoft account will be created very shortly. And now it is asking to type the first name and last name. I just typed the first name and last name, and then I'm going to press next button. Once I press the next button, it is asking stay sign in. I'm going to press yes button, and then the Microsoft account will be created successfully, and now will be Microsoft Office 365 page. So at the beginning it will look like this. So this is the feature they are showing right now. Whatever you will get, they mentioned create, organize, and collaborate with one place for free with Microsoft 365. So they mentioned it's free and Microsoft Office 365. So I'm going to skip this part. So I'm going to press next, done. Then I'm going to close this window also, or alert box type of thing. And now here it is. So on the left side you will find Word, Excel, PowerPoint, everything is free. So to create a Word document, we just need to click here, and then it will bring this type of interface. From here we can choose any existing template, or we can click here to create any to explore some new template. Otherwise we can press blank Word document. Once we click there, it will be opened, and now you will be able to use Microsoft Office freely. This is the official free version from Microsoft. Sometimes you will get this type of warning. Just press OK button. This is nothing. Basically, you need to. It is just ignore it, and then once you press OK, you will see this is the complete outlook of Microsoft Office, which is Word. And in this way you can also explore like Excel, PowerPoint same way. So let's check whether we can use this thing or not. I'm going to type on a small line like title, then like FewSteps, my channel name. I just typed it, and now once you select it, you will see you can do everything like bold, title, color, everything you can do this thing. And there are different options are there, like whatever you can do in the Word, in most of them you can do this thing. Not all of them, but most of them you can do it online, and it's free. This is a good thing. And once you created the file, you can also share with other people. you can download this thing. To share this file or to download, we need to click file, and from here you can choose option and you can export as a PDF or some other format, whatever you want. PDF is a very good option so that the document can be preserved the formatting. So there is other option like share. You can also share this thing or copy this thing to other thing or other people, like copy link to this document and you can share through email. So these are the options you can get after using the Office. And again, I'm telling you, this is completely free version. You don't need to pay any single penny to use this version, and you will get most of the like feature of Word from here. You don't need to buy anything, but if you are interested to buy, you can buy from here. So there is the buy link by Microsoft 365, and once you click here, Microsoft will offer you different options to buy, like annual plan or monthly plan, and each plan there is some price variation. So if you buy like yearly, then you'll get some discount. So I'm going to close this window. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily get Microsoft Office freely, or Microsoft Word or Excel, PowerPoint, whatever you can say, from Microsoft online version, which is called Office 365. Thank you guys for watching the video.